George Boole invented the world of zeros and ones a century before the first computer. Find out why and how, and subscribe to our series, The History of Math, in the YouTube channel, What Makes It Tick. We have seen in video number 1 how Arabs mathematicians started this field of algebra. And we have seen in video 5 the birth of logic. You remember, A is B, B is C, hence A is C. Many people have tried to merge the two disciplines. And probably the last one was George Boole. And here is how he did. Let's take a set X. And as a definition, it's the set of all x's. Then you take another set, let's call it Y, the set of all y's. Let's also define, if we overlap, if we put the two sets like this, we can define the hatched area in this drawing as the sum x plus y. And on this drawing now, the hatched area can be defined as the product x times y. And if you accept those assumptions, you can do some interesting things. For example, a proposition coming from the logic, sum x r y, can be translated into a mathematical formula. X times y is different from 0. This gives you a flavor of how George Boole tried to merge mathematics and logic. He also came to very strange equations. For example, one of his formula was x squared is equal to x. And this formula is amazing. Why? Because you only have two solutions, 0 and 1. And this can be considered as the birth of the binary system. Today we all use the decimal system, and the computer can't. So it's interesting to see how you move from one to the other. It's not too difficult. Let's take, for example, 43. 43 is the sum of 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. So it's 4 times the power of 2. And then if you cut the 43 in pieces, like using only power of 2, you have here, you can see the binary translation of 43. And of course, it goes backwards as well. So it's interesting to realize that the theory of computer started a century before the computer itself. Join us next time to find out how the system to measure data was devised. And subscribe now to follow our series on the history of math in the YouTube channel, What Makes It Tick.